Cleaning is a part of every single brew day, and depending on how you do it, it can be a pain and unenjoyable, or it can be quick and easy. I'm gonna show you the easy way. First thing I need to explain is that cleaning is not the same as sanitizing. Cleaning is removing the debris from the item that you're trying to clean up. Sanitizing is just making sure that there's no bacteria or bugs in there after you've already cleaned it. You would clean with something like this, PBW. You would sanitize with something like this, Star San. So the easy way to do it is to start with the fermenter that you're going to use to ferment the beer that you're brewing during the brew day. Clean this first, but don't dump it down the drain. Take that PBW and put it in your kettle once you're done. So you'll need a scale and a pint glass and some PBW. We need 5 gallons of PBW solution for the fermenter, which happens to be a keg, which means I need 5 ounces of dry PBW. If you don't want to get a scale out for this every time, just note that it's about, I don't know, somewhere between 2/3 and half of a pint glass. You don't need to be precise, so you can just fill this up halfway and you're good to go. I'll add this to my fermenter, then I will fill it up with warm water. You need warm water to dissolve the PBW. Once you're done cleaning the fermenter, you want to not dump the PBW, you want to set it aside so you can use it for cleaning the kettle later. All right. So we're done with the brew day. I have a little bit of extra wort in the kettle. I'm gonna just dump this into a bucket here. So my kettle is pretty much empty. However, there's still a lot of wort in the lines and the pump and the chiller. Add some fresh water to the kettle and pump it through. Now you just have water in your hose, your pump, and your chiller. At this point, we're ready to add the PBW that we set aside to the brew kettle. This stuff works best between the temperatures of 140 and 160 degrees, so I'm gonna set this kettle to 150, and I will recirculate the PBW through the lines while it's sitting. You will likely need to spray down the edges of the kettle and give it a quick wipe, but it's not a big deal. I run this for about an hour, remove the baskets and rinse them with warm water. I'll dump the PBW, I'll refill the kettle with warm water, circulate through, dump it, then we're done.